Gonna do a cold start on this Sienna. Cleaned it up. Still not perfect, but outside's nice. $232,000, just under 233. No warning lights. Starts right up. Pop the hood. Looks like it's time for a timing belt soon. 3MZ. Great motor. These are great vehicles. Take a look. 3 rows of seats. It's also got the factory DVD entertainment center. And this one has JBL on it, so pretty cool stuff. Plenty of room. Cloth seats are actually pretty nice.